So all these 4, 5, 5, 6, right? All
Yeah,
these
4, 5.
4, 5. Okay, how about here? 4, 5? Less, right? This is less, right? Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna go like, let me know. If 4, 5 here. Okay, take deep breath in, inhale, exhale. Okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. Good, okay, so turn sideways. Turn sideways. Okay, okay. Good, oh yeah, the other side. So the tattoo, what's that mean?
It's Jesus.
Oh, Jesus? Like, but this is the earth though.
Space.
A space?
Like stars.
So represent Jesus?
Jesus with like space and stars.
Oh wow. Okay. Oh, good, good, good. Okay, yeah, just go aside. Okay. Make sure that's just a minute. Okay, relax. Okay, turn body sideways, elbow hand push yourself a bit easier. Yeah, sit all the way back. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, make sure you relax. Okay, your hand do this. Okay. Relax down back, give some space, relax. Relax. Good, okay. Nice. So tell me, how do you feel? Better?
Yeah, I feel better.
Much better, like no
Yeah.
better.
Better, pain.
So you go to UFH?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, what's your major?
Finance.
Oh, finance? Oh, okay. I see. And then, so after 4 more visits, I'm taking X-ray for you. So, okay, you can compare before, after. Okay. Signature here. You must know Jesus, right? And then I see you have tattoo. I'm a Christian too, so I believe in Jesus. So, but usually I try to ask the patient, like, why you believe in Jesus?
Personally,
It saved your life?
he saved when I was born, my mom and I, when she went into labor, she passed away and I passed away too. And my mom was gone for 12 minutes and I was without oxygen or pulse for 7 minutes. And when I was gone, the doctors didn't think I'd be able to come back. My dad prayed Psalm 23 over me and my mom. My mom came back and I came back. She had a heart attack, stroke, and asthma attack at the same time, and we both came back.
Oh, wow. Okay. So your mom's okay now?
Yeah.
Your mom's okay?
Mm-hmm.
But what happened there?
When she went into labor, I was 2 months premature, and MD doctor gave her wrong medication, and it caused her to have a stroke going into labor with me.
What?
And then into a heart attack.
So medical doctor give her wrong medication, and then did you guys like asking for compensation to the hospital? Kind of, no.
I think so. Something happened where like the bill was really high, and my dad's an attorney, and he wrote a letter, and like they didn't have to pay whatever because they messed up.
Oh, so your dad's attorney?
Yeah.
My God. So how come you don't go for your like law degree?
School?
Yeah, so you can follow your father's footstep. I think
Yeah.
it's easier, right?
I wanted to, but he said it's really stressful.
Oh, it's very stressful.
Yeah, really stressful, and but I like the technology industry, so.
Oh, you learn technology industry. So after that, that's why you believe in Jesus. Oh.
Yeah, that he's been there my whole life, and I've just like seen like God work throughout my life in multiple ways.
Oh wow. Okay.
The doctors when they had me, they didn't believe in God, and I made them believe in God afterward. They said we were both like medical miracles. They didn't think we should be alive right now.
Okay, so you mentioned about like you and your mom stopped for 12 minutes. Low heartbeat.
No heartbeat, no oxygen.
Wow. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. So yeah, thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
So it's nice. I always want to talk to a patient. I mean, like this is the best job in the world. So I see MD medical doctor. So like why they believe in Christian. I mean, yeah, I want to know. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you for sharing. Thank you.